Empire Finance channel. Welcome to it. This is a crypto analysis. We're going to be looking into the crypto market, particularly the case of XRP going back, push back at the 5th position, at BNB gaining back the 3rd position. There's been a huge shift of that. There was a time when XRP was extremely strong, going stronger and stronger, but now it seems like that momentum has come down or melted. As you can see, this is the crypto market, crypto bubbles. At the moment, this is the daily bubble analysis. This is the daily. Let me check the hourly. So the market is quite red all over the place. And as I can see also on the trading view, Bitcoin is sitting at $121,000, $400 and plus minus, round about those figures. And there is also a shock factor to this bull market run as we're going to analyze it. Analysts have come up and said that there would be soon be a support level of about $117,000 per coin. Now remember guys, there was a time just recently when the crypto market or Bitcoin went as low as 112, in fact $108,000 per coin. That was quite low, then gaining momentum, and then it went higher and higher, and getting to the levels of the highest. This is a record breaker, which is $126,000. This is the highest that Bitcoin has ever went. Just now, recently, this week on Monday, 6th October, so Bitcoin reached its highest point. Now here we're going to analyze about its potential getting to the $130,000 per coin. The potential is there. We're going to read some articles. An article from BNP, which is quite lucrative, technically advanced, if I should say. I want to go through it right now and let's analyze together. BTC news today: Bitcoin holds 122K as EFT inflow surge. Analyst I support at $117,000 as I have shown, but now it's at 121,000K per coin. So key takeaways on this technical analysis on Binance News. These news are 2 hours old as I'm reading them to you, quite still new. Bitcoin price hovers around 122,000K after hitting a new ATH all-time high. ATH means all-time high above 126K earlier this week. Glassnode analysis: strong ETF inflows and renewed mid-tier accumulation, but warns of short-term risk. That's for traders, not for holders. It may go down in a holder, but the value will resurface again and can gain value if you're a holder. But for traders who are on the bull run, could be this short-term risk could apply to them. Key support levels identified at $117K and 114K. Wow, it can even go as low as that. Emit size of consolidation. Okay, BTC price pulls back after new ATH. Bitcoin briefly hit a new all-time high above $126,000 on Monday before sliding over 4.2% or to trade around $122,000 on Thursday. This move came amid increased short-term volatility and rising activity in futures and ETF markets. ETF inflows have been quite influential in this market for BTC throughout the whole year. As a trader, I've experienced it harshly, at times favorably. Despite the correction, US listed spot ETF recorded more than $2.5 billion in inflows over the week, including one of their highest daily intake figures to date, according to CoinClass. These inflows reflect ongoing institutional appetite for digital assets. Yes, it's growing, even President Donald Trump endorses this kind of growth within the institutional level of adoption for digital assets. Microenvironment and market context. Okay. The effects, the price action comes as Bitcoin enters a price discovery phase driven by strong ETF demand and historical cycle expectations. However, traders have flagged the risk associated with the rising leverage and crowded long positions in the derivatives market, which is something that most traders should consider. Yes, analysts have, in fact, I think, no, traders. These are traders that are giving this warning. So I take this very, very, very serious because I'm also a crypto trader on my side. Meanwhile, the broader crypto market remains relatively stable with major altcoins tracking BTC movements and muted volatility. I sort of think like coins like ADA, XRP, including, as you saw, as I'm going to show you, XRP has fallen to the 5th place. I think these altcoins are moving a lot more slower than I expected. You know, Bitcoin has been volatile, extremely volatile in the terms of the bull and the bear market. They've been volatile in terms of the altcoins, especially ADA, XRP, where my trades are mostly at. I'm not so impressed with their movement. Okay, meanwhile, the broader crypto market remains stable. I read that part. On-chain insights and technical indicators, the technical part of it is what I really enjoy. The Glassnode reports that 97% of circulating BTC is now in profit, underscoring the strength of the recent rally. Yet, analysts caution that elevated profit levels often precede market consolidation rather than immediate continuation. So technical indicators back these cautions, optimism. All moving averages, EMAs, SMAs, 10 to 200 periods are showing positive signals. Yes, they are showing so these signals are sort of like too high. So the traders are thinking when it's too high, there is a time when it goes down. The isolators that I would like to look into is the relative strength index with the 14 period mark. So it's at 61 currently, relative strength index. But 70 and above is considered as overbought conditions, where market rise more than market expectations. And then 30 and below is oversold conditions. So currently it's towards that 70 point. So it has not yet reached 70. But as soon as it reaches 70 and above, this is what I'm watching for, relative strength index. But of course, as you can see, Bitcoin, how it's sitting at the moment, currently $121,000 roundabout. I had a support level right here, but now analysts talk about 117,000, even $114,000 Bitcoin is the current support level. I'm putting my support here, and but I also have an artificial support here. Of course, for today, this 1 hour chart in terms of scalping. So if that consolidation is to happen, and it will give me sort of like an alarm or a way to say that, okay, if it crosses this level here, which is $120,000 and round about this level, if it crosses, then I would say that this consolidation is real and it may go down to $17,000. If it breaks to $117,000, it can come down to $114,000. That remains to be seen. See what happens in the market. Let's go to crypto market cap, coin market cap, and as you can see, market cap, we are sitting at 4 trillion market cap. That's the market. That's the highest, 4 trillion market cap daily on the crypto market space. Like I was saying, guys, look at BNB back on the 3rd position with market cap on its own 178 Wow. And then compared to the XRP, which is 167. So all these numbers, the volume part as well, you can see the volume, XRP is 4.8, but if you look at BNB as well, gone up to 7.7 million volume. So it went higher than XRP, so XRP dropped down to the fifth position, I should say. Whereas in the beginning of the year, for some time, it was in the third position. Let's see what happens, guys. The crypto market, it is the bull market. Let's see if Bitcoin can reach $130,000 by the end of this month. Until next time, please, guys, be sure to subscribe. Please click that like button. Empire Finance TV. Until next time, I'll be making more and more of these videos. Thank you.